We got a 2015 Honda Foreman 500. We're doing a top end rebuild. All you need to do to get to this stage is take off your gas tank, take off your computers. I think I made another video about how to do all that with adjusting your valves. And what you want to do is you want to take off your valve cover, undo all these bolts, pop it off, make sure, yep, there's some dowel pins in the valve cover that need to stay on there, not fall in the motor. And then take your push rods out. And then what you're gonna do is there's gonna be 2 bolts right here and then 2 bolts right here. And obviously you wanna take out your spark plug, drain your coolant so it doesn't go everywhere. And then once you get this off, you can go ahead and pick up on it and we can see if it'll come off.
You gotta take these 2 bolts off?
Where at? Oh yeah, we gotta undo the top motor mount as well, so we'll do that real quick. Yeah. So, here's everything we've taken out. I haven't done a good job of recording everything because I've been too worried of trying not to mess this up because I've never done it before. But this is where we're at. We got literally everything off. That's as far as you need to go. There's the rod, camshaft rod, I don't know what it's called. But yeah, we've got everything off. I've got a new jug from Partzilla. I've got a new piston. I've got new seals, new gaskets, new everything. And I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but it was smoking, and it's because of that corner right there. There's some scarring in it, and you can really just feel it whenever your hand runs over it. So that's where the oil was leaking through. And then you can tell it's burning oil because you can tell how black that is. And the spark plug is solid black. So there's the wrist pin. So everything is out. So now we're going to start reassembling everything into the bike. What you want to do whenever you've gotten, all your stuff out and you're ready to reassemble the four-wheeler. I just went ahead and bought all new gaskets. So I got my new metal gasket on there. And the easiest way to do this top end that I've seen is you get your new jug and you set your rings on your head, and you can go online and find out the way the rings are supposed to be. It's really not that hard. And what you want to do is you just want to start easing, just compress. This jug has a little bevel right here to help you whenever you're getting ready to slide this in here like this. So what you want to do is you just want to work in one ring at a time and just barely just ease down back and forth on this piston. And just get all your rings finally set. And you want to put your new clip, your wrist pin clip in on this side. So that way you can put your wrist pin in and just slide it in whenever you're ready. But, I'm not ready yet. So now what I'm going to do is pick this whole assembly up, set it over there, get the piston rod, camshaft rod, I really don't know what it's called, the arm, and get it right in here, push my wrist pin in. And then I'm going to grab my other wrist pin clip and put in on this side. And then I can slide the jug all the way down. And really, you just reassemble everything from there. So, yeah, let's get this on. So once you have your wrist pin through the little rod there, all lined up, ready to go, just slide your wrist pin through. And now I'm about to get my other wrist pin clip and pop it in right there to lock the wrist pin in. And once we do that, we can slide this jug down and put the bolts back in for it. We can reassemble the rest of the bike. So let's start doing that. So once you get the jug slid on, mine's not slid on all the way because one of the dowel pins is kind of crooked and it's not going in right. But yeah, that's what it looks like when it's on. You slide the piston up in here, and this the jug should slide all the way down and seat perfectly. And then I'll show you guys what goes on next from there.